Hello, I'm Ron.
I'm Laura.
And we're with Kingdom Christmas Lights. On behalf of all of us here at Kingdom Christmas Lights, we wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas and thank you personally for choosing Kingdom Christmas Lights this year for your decorations. Now, Christmas is over and it's time to start planning takedown. Don't worry, we're going to leave the lights up as long as you want, but it is time to start planning taking them down and kind of review what that process entails. So as we do every single year, we contact you, which this is the message, and we ask for you to respond with your preference to the text message or email that you received. Now, whatever your personal preference is, if you want it down Serbian New Year, you want to wait till after Epiphany, you have a Christmas party on this date or that date, you don't want it down till after that, just let us know. And just like installation, we schedule it with the 1 week blocks. We will personally give you a 3-day window of when your lights will be taken down. And at that time, you'll just set your bins out, your storage containers during that 3-day window. And the guys, when they take it down, they'll have color-coded zip ties this year where they'll mark where the left corner of the second story is and where this and that is. And everything will be color-coded with zip ties. This will make it very easy and efficient for next year's install, which is great. Now, another thing that we'd like to ask of you is for a review. There's 600 clients that we take care of each and every year, but we get about 2 reviews. Most of them are just, hey, I got your number from a friend, they told me to give you a call. That's the reviews, and those are really helpful, and that's how we've gotten to be at the point we are now, which we appreciate each and every one of you for doing that. But an actual review on Google, please look at this YouTube video and there's a link below to review us on Google. That means a lot to us. And while you're surfing the internet, if you have a Facebook page, give us a like on Facebook as well. Now the storage containers. Most of you have your own storage containers and you know exactly what to do about leaving your storage containers out. Or you can make a trip to Home Depot, Lowe's, or Walmart and buy a storage container. But if you don't want to hassle with that, and you want Kingdom Christmas Lights to take care of everything like we always do, we do have storage containers available. They're less than $20. But we can provide them for you and put them on your invoice on the takedown if that's what you'd like. We can do that no problem, as many as you would need. The installers will bring them for you. But anyway, from all of us here at Kingdom Christmas Lights, it means everything to us that you trust us year after year. That's why we sent this personal video. We wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas. And this year, coming up, 2022, we hope that you have a fabulous new year. And we look to break in the new year right and see you right at the beginning of the new year as we take down the lights. So have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from all of us for Kingdom Christmas Lights. And just remember, Laura and I, we love you and we think about you all year. We can't wait till 2022.